Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme of the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster in the 2025 Kia EV9. I have in front of me here a Land all-wheel drive with premium package in Pebble Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we have our 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and down under in the middle of the steering wheel here, we have our drive mode button. So right now, you'll see in the bottom left that we're currently in the Eco mode, and this is what the Eco mode theme looks like. If I were to go ahead and press the drive mode, it will change to normal, and that'll change it to the normal theme. Then we have our sport mode. Once more into my drive, which is basically the same as the normal. And then once more, will take us back into Eco mode. So right now, if you were to hit the drive mode button, it will change the theme based on what drive mode you're in. So we're going to head into the 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and we're going to either hit Setup in the bottom right here under the screen, or we're going to swipe the screen to the left and hit Setup on the right-hand side. And then you're going to see Cluster down there. We'll select that, then Cluster Theme Selection. And again, it's linked to the drive mode currently, but if you were to go and change it, you can make it static, so it doesn't change unless you change it. So Style A is very similar to the normal mode or my drive mode. Style B is like the Eco mode. And then Style C is like the sport mode. So again, you can keep it in one of those themes if you want, or you can go ahead and just have it linked to the drive mode for when you hit the button here. Personal preference on how you want to set it. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.